And every day we are learning more about the ongoing federal investigation involving a handful of Albuquerque police, DWI officers, and apparently a local attorney.
That's right. Once again, though, we are still not releasing any of their names, but what we can tell you is more about the scheme and also a little more about the officers involved. Yep. Our own Spencer Schott joining us from our newsroom to break down what we do know so far. Spencer.
Well, Trevor, we have learned that those officers have been reassigned or placed on leave. They've also recently been placed on the district attorney's Giglio or Brady list. Essentially, this is a list of law enforcement officers whose credibility as a witness has been put in question. And the DA's office won't confirm why the 4 officers are now on that list, but a spokesperson said they have just recently been added. Now, once you're on this list, anytime an officer is called as a witness in a case, the prosecutors would have to disclose that to the defense. The Law Office of the Public Defender says the Giglio-Brady list is one way to hold police officers accountable and assure that their testimony in court is reliable. And as we learn more about these officers, the U.S. Attorney's Office has confirmed that the raids, the on-leave officers, are all connected to the more than 150 DWI cases that have been dropped by the District Attorney's Office. APD Chief Harold Medina also confirms all of the officers are part of the DWI unit. And now this investigation is still ongoing, but Chief Medina says those officers could face more serious consequences down the road.
If that information comes that they were more involved and that there's something we should be concerned about, well, then it could move to administrative leave and ultimately it could lead to some type of termination.
We're still digging into this investigation and we're learning more, and we will bring you those details once we learn them. But for now, Tessa, you're joined with Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman for more about the Brady list, what it means for these officers, and the case involved.
That's exactly right. Spencer, thanks so much for breaking down everything. And yes, we do have Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman joining us. First, the sheer magnitude of cases you've had to dismiss already, more than 150. I mean, I don't think any prosecutor ever expects to have to do something to that capacity.
I'm sick to my stomach. The fact of the matter is, you're right, no prosecutor would ever want to dismiss that number of DWI cases. But I had no choice. I have certain ethical obligations as a prosecutor, and I'm going to ensure that any witness we present to a judge or a jury is a credible witness that does not have integrity issues. And I can't do that in these cases now. And you know, DWI cases are highly police officer intense. In other words, their testimony is what a finder of fact, a jury or a judge, is going to decide not guilty or guilty. And I'm not going to chance the reputation of our criminal justice system or the reputation, the credibility of my office with putting up witnesses that shouldn't be put.
Are you suspecting you're going to have to dismiss any more cases?
I think there may be a few more. I mean, my office has reviewed over 1,000 cases.
Wow.
So we feel like we've got most of them now that we need to dismiss. Thank God, I don't believe at this point we have any cases where there were victims that were severely hurt. But we do have a few felonies, I think, that we've had to dismiss based on the fact that that person had prior DWIs and that it was up at the level of a felony. And so we've had to dismiss some cases. Dismissing any case for Giglio-Brady issues is extremely unfortunate, but this number obviously is unbelievable.
I know you're probably going to say you can't answer, but I have to ask.
Sure.
What you could possibly tell us why these officers were reportedly not showing up to court. What was there an incentive?
Let me put it to you this way. There's an ongoing federal investigation. I want the federal authorities, the FBI, the U.S. Attorney's Office, to do a thorough, complete investigation to root out any issues that they see. And when they complete that, I imagine a lot more will come to light, but at this point I don't want to compromise that. I want them to be able to do their work.
It's fair enough. With the Giglio list, how does that work? Once an officer is put on that list, is it bar none, every case that he or she's involved in is thrown out, or there's different case-by-case circumstances?
Not necessarily. However, that has to be disclosed, of course, to defense counsel, as it should be. as it should be. And that's a case that goes back to 1966, and the Supreme Court opined on why it was so important that prosecutors disclose that kind of information, and we agree with that. We should. At the same time, DWI cases, if you don't have the DWI investigation, you
don't have much.
You don't.
Yeah.
And it's the right thing to do. Unfortunately, a short-term hurt, if you will, dismissing all these cases. But in the long term, the most important thing to me is the credibility of our office, the credibility of the criminal justice system, and I will not put law enforcement officers on the stand that have integrity issues. I just won't do it.
We know that the cases already dismissed were active. Is there any concern about prior cases involving these officers being appealed, or some kind of ramification because somebody was convicted or took a plea deal if there are credibility issues?
Listen, if obviously lawyers are going to do their job, and defense lawyers out there that are representing individual folks who believe for some reason that they need to challenge whatever adjudication took place in the past, whether or not it was a plea agreement, they can file that necessary paperwork, and we'll take a look at it, and if we don't believe that that case should be overturned, we'll argue that way.
I have one final question for you. I mean, drunk driving has been a generational killer in our state. You are the top prosecutor in the Metro, charged with keeping our families safe and going after people who need to be held accountable. What does this investigation do to the integrity of trying to stop drunk driving?
Listen, I am confident, and let's remember this. So many of our police officers are wonderful police officers who do so much to wear that badge and are great public servants. And it may take a little bit of time, but APD, I'm sure, will reconstitute its DWI unit in an appropriate manner, and we'll continue to hold people accountable, and we will prosecute people who drive drunk on the streets and hurt people. And that's just something we are committed to do at our office. We have 14 prosecutors in our office that prosecute DWIs, domestic violence, and shoplifting every single day. Those are the 3 areas they prosecute. This is a big hit to everybody, and we all feel it at our office. We're all disgusted that we had to do this, but it's something we have to do because of our ethical obligations.
Bernalillo County District Attorney Sam Bregman, I appreciate you being here and your candor, and we'll be, I'm sure, reaching out more as this continues. Thank you. Trevor? All right, we have covered a lot of new information involving this federal investigation today. Still so many questions that need answered, but best believe our team will be on top of any new developments, and you can find all of our reporting at KOB.com. Our conversation on what happens to other cases involving these officers, though, will continue tonight on the Night Beat.